This is Thule's Apex Swing-Away, which is a 4-bike hitch-mounted rack designed to fit 2-inch receiver hitches. The Swing-Away has a unique design that swings to the side of your vehicle. The Swing-Away does require some assembly out of the box, including assembling the swing mechanism and bolting it to the mast. After you've assembled the Swing-Away, it is now ready to be installed. First, pull back the auto pin and slide the rack into the receiver. Once the auto pin clears the receiver lip, release it so that it rests against the receiver. Push the carrier until the auto pin clicks into the receiver hole, then firmly tighten and lock the locking knob to secure the rack into the receiver. The Swing-Away features folding arms that collapse out of the way when not in use. This is quickly done by pulling the quick release lever and allowing the arms to lock into the downward position. To engage the arms, pull the lever and lift the arms back up. The Swing-Away also allows for easy access to the trunk of your vehicle by rotating out of the way. To use this feature, loosen the wing bolt completely, then lift the spring pin and remove the pin at the end of the swing arm. You can then pull the rack away from the vehicle while it swings off to the side. This can be done with or without bikes loaded onto the Swing-Away. To prevent the carrier from swinging closed, insert the pin when fully open as shown here. To return the Swing-Away to its original position, remove the center pin and pull the spring pin to allow the mast to rotate while pulling the rack back towards your car. The pin will lock into place, and after the wing bolt is tightened, your rack is ready to use. Thule's Swing-Away features a dual arm design that will fit most types of bicycles without the need for a frame adapter. Simply lift the bike and slide it into the carrier, making sure both arms are underneath your bike's top tube. Then place the bike on the set of anti-sway cradles that are closest to your car and tighten the cradle straps. When securing each bike to the Swing-Away, be sure to secure the stabilizer to the down tube. Thule suggests loading the heaviest bike first with the chain facing away from the vehicle. This is the integrated locking cable that is included with the Swing-Away. To lock your bike to the rack, pull the cable lock from the back of the Swing-Away and extend it so that it will reach the front of the rack. Then fit the cable into the slot and lock the lock. The cable will retract into the mast of the Swing-Away when not in use. A front tire strap is also included to prevent your front wheel from rotating. And this is Thule's 9027 Apex Swing-Away 4-bike hitch-mounted rack.